Chairman, thank you for all your incredible leadership, but more importantly, for the spirit you have provided throughout this entire process. It's my great honor to recognize you and to thank you and ask you to come up here.
Thank you, Governor. First of all, let me give a round of thanks. Thank you, Governor Brown. Oregon and California, running point, how to work together, how to work with tribes. Governor Newsom, the first all you want, stated now the commitment, passion. I just hear words, yourself, your administration, not just for Yurok Indian country in California. I say this all the time. Our governor's running point, how we should work with tribes, how you should talk with tribes, your cabinet, your secretaries. Again, I just want to say thank you for the work you're doing, Congressman Huffman. Thank you for your leadership through Congress. We've worked on many projects, we've worked on many tribes. For the hearing of the animal, answering the bell, providing that leadership, that expertise from yourself, John, your team. It's a privilege and an honor. I just want to say thank you again as a secretary. You mentioned creator, absolutely. No, we're here together. In this room, the tribal leaders, and we're not just doing it, as you know, for us here, but for across the nation, for tribes, healing, prayer. Creator has answered our prayers. As the Secretary of Interior, thank you for filling that role, that job, that task. Very difficult job working across states. I just want to thank you with love and respect, and just thank you. What does this mean to us? It means a lot of things. It means our heart, our passion, our commitment. For me, we always go back to our culture, our prayers, our dances, our ceremonies. Our prayers have been answered. It's a time in history that our people are going to look back. For Oregon, California, 2 governors, Congressmen, tribal leaders answered the bell and paved the way. This is how things get done. How it's complex and difficult, but we're used to that. But we keep striving forward with a heart and passion, commitment. Wherever that paved the way, that's no longer here no more. The people that are here now, our children get to be able to walk the riverbanks, post dam removal. They won't know this here. We'll tell them about the history and the hard work and how we got to this point, and how we partner with our partners, agencies, state level, county level, all elected officials, partners, agencies. You know what? Our family, when I first came into the office with our team, is we're going to approach this as a village level. This is how we work together, tackling this from villages, this family. And you are part of our family. That's how we look at our environment, our natural resources, our fish. There's nothing that we will do as indigenous people, as Yurok, to fight for our river and our water and our salmon, how important to us. Again, it's a proud day. Again, we've got a number of years of work ahead of us regarding restoration and management, which is another beautiful thing that we're willing to roll up our sleeves again and continue to work with our partners all in this room, the people that are not here. So I just want to thank you